Welcome to ATECH, your e-mobility innovation partner. As you can see behind me, we are building the future of fuel cell manufacturing. With our advanced facilities and fully automated production line, we are setting new standards for efficiency and accuracy. I'm here to present you our vision, which shaped into fully automated MEA and fuel cell stacking solutions. Right attitude and accelerated actions are the key for turning innovation into reality. Allow me to walk you through the processes and highlight some essential features. We provide unwinders for all kinds of MEA material, whether they come with or without protection layer, stretchy or brittle. To boost productivity, we also offer waste-free, back-to-back auto splice units. The core of our technology is the cut-and-place unit, a compact and patented system that converts 3 incoming materials, 2 subgaskets and 1 CCM into a 5-layer web. This unmatched technology is 1 Hz ready and enables converting without CCM waste. For adding GDLs in the next step, we guarantee a clean and effective bond through particle-free adhesive application. Depending on your chosen glue technology, the glue is activated by either UV light or heat. Our precise GDL placement solution caters to all types of GDL, whether fleece-based or paper-based. With our bespoke Muehlbauer vision systems, accurate positioning is not just achieved, but 100% validated. By the time the continuous web is split into MEA sheets, each one undergoes multiple inspections during production, with vision system ensuring 100% quality control of every critical placement and process parameter. Our assembly line is incredibly versatile, efficiently handling any frame size from narrow to wide edge. When it comes to MEA production, we are ready to go full journey with our customers, from lab to high volume production. These are designed for mid-level and high volume line to ensure risk-free scalability as our production grows. We are certain that hydrogen fuel cells will be a crucial part of energy transition of the next decade. Using fuel cells to decarbonize heavy-duty transportation provides a great opportunity to reach our goals. Let's create a sustainable future for all of us.